APN, American Public Media.
Support for On Point comes from Americans United for Separation of Church and State, defending church-state separation and the First Amendment, including freedom of the press, for nearly 80 years. Learn more at au.org. And The Midnight Rebellion, WBUR's new climate fiction show that asks you to decide the fate of our planet. At the end of each episode, you make a choice. What's the impact? Find out wherever you get your podcasts.
This is WLRN in HD1, Miami, Fort Lauderdale. WKWM in HD1, Marathon, Key West. WPBB in HD1, Palm Beach Shores. W270AD, West Palm Beach. And WOLL HD2, Hope Sound.
What a glorious feeling. Singin' in the Rain takes center stage Thursday night on WLRN TV. Join Gene Kelly and Debbie Reynolds for one of Hollywood's greatest musicals. When silent films give way to talkies, a movie star's disastrous singing voice threatens the studio's latest production. It's pure movie magic. Watch Singin' in the Rain Thursday night at 8 on WLRN TV.